Let's meet your English family. Learn family words to talk about your relatives easily. Mother, mother. My mother is cooking dinner tonight. Father, father. My father works at a bank. Mom, mom. I called my mom this morning. Dad, dad. My dad loves playing chess. Parents, parents. My parents are very supportive. Son, son. Their son is 5 years old. Daughter, daughter. Her daughter is learning English. Child, child. Every child needs love. Children, children. The children are playing outside. Husband, husband. Her husband travels often. Wife, wife. His wife is an artist. Brother, brother. My brother is older than me. Sister, sister. His sister lives in Canada. Sibling, sibling. Each sibling has a different hobby. Twins, twins. The twins look exactly alike. Twin brother, twin brother. She has a twin brother. Twin sister, twin sister. I met her twin sister yesterday. Baby, baby. The baby is sleeping now. Infant, infant. The infant needs constant care. Toddler, toddler. The toddler is learning to walk. Teenager, teenager. The teenager loves music. Grandmother, grandmother. My grandmother makes delicious cookies. Grandfather, grandfather. My grandfather tells great stories. Grandma, grandma. My grandma lives by the sea. Grandpa, grandpa. My grandpa taught me fishing. Grandparents, grandparents. My grandparents visit us every summer. Grandson, grandson. Their grandson plays football. Granddaughter, granddaughter. She loves her granddaughter very much. Grandchildren, grandchildren. The grandchildren gathered for a photo. Uncle, uncle. My uncle lives in Germany. Aunt, aunt. My aunt is a teacher. Cousin, cousin. My cousin and I are best friends. Nephew, nephew. Her nephew is very smart. Niece, niece. My niece drew a picture for me. Great-grandmother, great-grandmother. My great-grandmother is 92 years old. Great-grandfather, great-grandfather. His great-grandfather fought in a war. Great-grandparents. Great-grandparents. Our great-grandparents lived on a farm. Great-grandson. Great-grandson. She finally met her great-grandson. Great-granddaughter. Great-granddaughter. He loves his great-granddaughter a lot. Stepmother. Stepmother. His stepmother is very kind. Stepfather. Stepfather. My stepfather cooks amazing meals. Stepbrother. Stepbrother. I have a stepbrother in New York. Stepsister. Stepsister. Her stepsister is very friendly. Stepson. Stepson. He cares for his stepson deeply. Stepdaughter. Stepdaughter. She supports her stepdaughter's dreams. Fiancé. Fiancé. Her fiancé is from Italy. Spouse. Spouse. You must list your spouse on the form. Relative. Relative. Every relative was invited to the event. Family member. Family member. Each family member brought a gift. Ancestor. Ancestor. Our ancestor came from Asia. Descendant. Descendant. He is a descendant of a famous poet. Great work. Now you can talk about your family. Next, let's learn the parts of the body in English.